course.
Oh, end of the road, bud. Do you realize how far you just walked? You walked from all the way down there. All the way down there.
He's like, and I'm going back. Oh.
Whoa.
It's okay. Yay. Getting up. Shaking it off.
Rub some dirt on it, boy. Oh. Bryson.
Sitting there a bunch of ants, buddy. Get up.
Hey. Hey, slow down. Slow down. Hey. Who's the big walker? Who's the big walker? You hear the airplanes? Where are we at? We're at LAX. We're at the Proud Bird. Having a happy Father's Day brunch that you and Mommy gave me. Now we're walking. Oh! Grab him. Well, no, he's already here.
I was going to say, I don't think he actually put his foot.
Oh, he did, but he's alright.
He's still up.
You following me, Mama? You following me?
Like if you watch, his head actually stayed still and his body moving.
Wow. What a walk.
What a big boy.
Oh, going that way, huh?
I'm just following. Aw, yeah, get a little tired.
You keep going, huh?
Same thing with this one here.
You're moving.
2 weeks and I can walk anywhere.
Oh, slow down. Oh no.
You okay? You're up.
Oh no. Look at that, from one end to the other.
It's a big long walk, my friend.
Dude, that's like 50 yards. Maybe more. That was good.
Hey, we're going back.
Run, Forrest, run.
Jeez.
Dude, that was
That
a good
compared to
distance.
his height, and that's a long way for a little baby. How long is it going to take for him to notice we're not there?
Oh.
Ooh, that may hurt.
Not that far.